Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and all my dear friends, today I want to talk about India, often celebrated as the world's largest democracy, and examine its achievements and challenges critically. India's democratic journey since 1947 is nothing short of remarkable. With over 900 million voters, regular elections, and universal adult suffrage, it has proven that democracy can thrive even in a nation as diverse and complex as ours. The Indian Constitution laid the foundation for this success, granting fundamental rights and freedoms to all citizens. Dear audience, one of the most striking aspects of Indian democracy is its inclusivity. Despite incredible diversity in religion, language, and culture, we have managed to integrate these differences into a democratic framework. The Panchayati Raj system allows governance to reach the grassroots, empowering citizens directly at the local level. Our judiciary, often called the guardian of the Constitution, has played a crucial role in upholding democratic principles. Similarly, a free press and vibrant civil society have acted as watchdogs, ensuring accountability. These achievements make India a thriving democracy. But no democracy is without challenges. Electoral malpractices, the influence of money and muscle power, and the criminalization of politics often dilute the sanctity of elections. Social inequalities rooted in caste, religion, and gender continue to limit true representation and participation. Dear audience, in recent years, concerns about freedom of expression and press freedom have emerged. Instances of censorship and harassment of journalists threaten the very foundation of our democratic ethos. Polarization along ideological and communal lines also poses a serious risk to our unity and pluralism. The way forward lies in strengthening institutions, ensuring accountability, transparency in governance, and addressing social inequalities rooted in caste, religion, and gender. Through targeted reforms, it's also essential to protect our freedom of expression and foster dialogue to counter divisions. In conclusion, India's democracy is both a beacon of hope and a work in progress. We have much to celebrate, but we must remain vigilant and committed to strengthening our democratic values. Only then can we ensure that India not only thrives as a democracy, but also inspire the world. India's democracy is a testament to the power of unity in diversity, built on the principles of equality, justice, and liberty. While it has achieved remarkable milestones in ensuring representation and foster dialogue to counter divisions, And upholding fundamental rights challenges like social inequalities, electoral malpractices, and threats to freedom of expression remain, strengthening our democratic values. Ultimately, India must strive to uphold the essence of our government, of the people, by the people, for the people. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you so much.